Hi foodies, in this video we're making some juicy flavorful baked chicken, perfect for beginners. I'll be using chicken thighs and legs. First I'm washing the chicken with vinegar and water, then drain and pat dry. I will set that aside and start with the dry seasoning. So we have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Then we're just gonna mix that all together. Now for the fresh ground seasoning, I'm chopping about 2 to 3 stalks of scallion, half a bell pepper, two to 3 cloves of garlic, and some onion. I always see people do this with onion, so I tried it and I think it came out pretty good, right? Next, I'm adding all the seasoning to the chicken. Rub it in really well so you can get it in every crease. If you want, you can poke a few holes into the chicken so that it really sinks in. I'm going to also add some smoked paprika for a little heat and a half tablespoon of browning. Not too much because we don't want it to be too dark. So we're going to combine everything again. You can add thyme here too, but I actually added mine later down because guess what? I forgot. Now I'm transferring the chicken to a smaller bowl so it can fit nicely into the fridge to marinate overnight. Alright, so it's the next day. I don't know if everyone else does this, but I usually remove like the scallion, the garlic and pepper before baking it because I just feel like it's going to burn in the oven. So after placing the chicken on the tray, I remembered my time, yeah. So I sprinkled that on top, and then the oven was already preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake it first for about 50 minutes. While the chicken bakes, I'm making a quick sauce using all the flavor left in the bowl. So that includes 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of water, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of browning. And then we're going to just mix it all together and taste it and adjust if needed. Alright, so I'm going to check on the chicken right now. Oh my god, this looks so good. And the smell is even better. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to brush the sauce onto the chicken and put it back in the oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, so 20 minutes have passed and I'm going to flip the chicken, add the rest of the sauce and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Don't want the sauce to dry out, so yeah, watching it. I just want it to thicken nicely. And guess what? We're done. Ask this question already, but doesn't it look good? I actually had some curry chicken from earlier this week, so you know it's a 2-meat Sunday over here. Anyway, I couldn't wait to dig in, so bye. Thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself and make sure to subscribe.